Welcome to this wonderful video session. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money using this particular platform. I believe at this point you've signed up using the link in the description box of this video. So we are going to be seeing the type of tasks you can perform and how you can go about it. From this clear ground, you see you can hire random people to work for you while you pay them, and you can also make money by doing simple tasks using this particular site. So I'm going to be showing you all the type of tasks you can perform and how you can follow it in detail to make sure that you get everything done correctly. So you can also post job as I've showed you. You can see then here on your wallet, when you click on this very point, you are going to be seeing your earnings and other relevant stuff. Here in your account, you can see my jobs, the ones you've posted, the tasks you've completed, and other relevant information. So our target in this point is available jobs. When you click on these available jobs, you will get to see the type of jobs you can perform. So when it loaded, so you get to see it. You can see available jobs. You come down, you are going to see with the amount. You pick the ones you like, the ones you can perform. You can see YouTube subscribers 26 naira, YouTube 40. So you can see them. So if I continue, some of them go as high as 140, 200. You can see 140 here. You can see 110. So you pick the ones you can perform, then you get the money. You can see this one is even having 500 bonus. So you see, you can see 70. So you pick anyone that you want. In this case, I'm going to pick anyone that wouldn't take much of our time. Let me pick. Most of the tasks here are very simple. You get to see your earnings, your balance, everything at the end of the day, your success rate at the end here. So what you do is you are going to pick this very one, this YouTube subscribe. Let's pick it. You click on view the job, that particular job. You are going to be seeing all the necessary things you are supposed to do. So you can also post jobs like that to get people to subscribe while you pay them, while for people who want to grow their social media handle and the rest of them. So this is a simple example here. You can see this person say go to my channel through the link below and subscribe, new subscribers only. So this is the channel link that the person is asking you to go to. Then you now say require proof that task was finished. Then you say you are going to send a screenshot of the task that you have done. So it will take literally few seconds for you to complete the task. So we are going to see what the sample of the task look like, the sample of the proof look like. So you can see small YouTube channel, 100 subscribers. So the person says if you are going to post it, you click on the video like this, so you show that you subscribe. So this is it. So we'll go back now. So we'll come back, we'll click on the channel to open the channel. So you can see the channel is loaded. You can see it here. So it is loaded now. So the next thing you do is, since the person says you want a screenshot that the task was completed, we'll scroll down. So now that it's loaded, all you have to do is we are going to take two screenshots. We are going to take a screenshot before we subscribe. You click screenshot because you are going to send in proof. Then we are going to subscribe. By the time we subscribe, then we'll take another screenshot that is showing that we have subscribed. Then once you are done with it, I wouldn't want to prolong the video. Let me make it snappy. Now I've taken the two screenshots, the ones I subscribed and the one that I haven't subscribed. So it's going to be very clear. So I'll come back to the tags. I will now come down here. I will now say here is the one here is my YouTube channel link for verification. Then 2, I will say screenshot So after typing it, I say here is my YouTube channel link for verification. This is the link. Then I say screenshot 1 of channel before subscribing. Then screenshot 2 is after subscribing. So I'll now come here. I'll now attach the link and now click here. Go to my relevant folders. You attach the first screenshot just as you stated this here. This one is before you subscribe. Then the second one, I click. This is the second one. This is it after subscribing. The third one is not too relevant. If you like, you still attach the same one here that you have on this third. Then you click submit. Once you click submit, you will now wait for approval. Then you are done. You can now go ahead with other stuff. So that is it. By the time it is approved, you get to see the money. It's going to show you task completed, and then you get to see the money reflecting your account. So once the money reflects in your account, you get to see it. It will be added to your balance somewhere around here. Then at this point, you are done with this very first stage. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post a job on this particular platform. So that if you are somebody who handle people's social media handle or online businesses, you can use this to promote. Especially for those who have monetized account, it's not advisable for you to post your to share your content with your own handle. So you can use this platform to pay people to share your content so that you go viral without